Hey Chem Magicians, so welcome back to my channel. As you all know that this channel is exclusively for doubt session, and if you face any difficulty in solving organic chemistry questions, and so you can just DM me on my Instagram page. I'll put the link in the description below, and also please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and support me, guys. So with any further ado, let's just begin the video. So see, the first step is addition of Grignard reagent. So we are adding Grignard reagent here. So what is going to happen? Grignard reagent produces Et minus. That is our nucleophile. Okay. So this nucleophile will attack from the behind. It will attack the carbonyl from the behind, and see what will happen. This electron density will shift here, and when it will come back, this chlorine will leave. Okay, giving us this. A Et here and a carbonyl here. So Et is coming and chlorine is leaving. Okay, so we are getting this. See, all right. So but here it is written that we are taking Grignard reagent in excess, so another Et minus molecule will come, and again it will attack carbonyl from behind, and this will come up, and we will obtain this O negative Et here, another Et here. And then hydrolysis is taking place. Okay, and just simply O negative will abstract the proton and it will become OH. Okay, so we have obtained alcohol here, and then in the next step sulfuric acid is added and heated. This is nothing but elimination step. So simply this OH will abstract the proton. Okay, Et here, Et here. This has become OH2 plus. Okay, since OH is abstracting the proton, so it has become OH2 plus, which is a good leaving group. So it leaves and a carbocation is formed. Okay, Et, a carbocation is generated here. So again, then this HSO4 minus, which is an ion, will abstract this proton from here, and elimination reaction will take place. Okay, so we will obtain a double bond. So this is what we have got so far. Okay, and in next step it was given that Br2 and H2O. Okay, bromine water is added. It's simply just in this what will happen, this double bond will abstract one bromine. Okay, this is Br bond. When one bromine is taken up by this double bond, another bromide ion is leaving. Okay, so simply a bromine is coming here, a double bond is opening, and the bromine will come here, and the proton will be generated, a positive charge carbocation will be generated here. Okay, tertiary carbocation will be generated. Let's say this bond has come up above the plane. Okay, as soon as this happens, this water comes and it attacks here. Okay, I'm rubbing the extra things. So we have gotten this so far. So now just water will come here. Okay, and we will obtain OH, and it will be just anti to this bromine. Okay, if Br is above the plane, then the OH group which we are going to obtain will be below the plane. Okay, so this is what we have got. Okay, and then this thing, as soon as this is obtained, this oxygen being nucleophilic, the lone pairs of oxygen being nucleophilic in nature, will just attack the sigma antibonding of bromine. Okay, of bromine, and this Br bond is broken because bromine is very good leaving group. So we obtain this, epoxide. We obtain epoxide here. It will be below the plane. There would be a H plus which will be taken up by this bromide ion. Okay, so I'm just showing epoxide, Et and Et. So this is epoxide and Et here and another Et here. Okay, and in the next step it was given that H3O plus was added, right? So simply lone pair of oxygen will abstract proton. Okay, and as soon as this happens, water molecule will come and attack from behind, okay, and this bond will be broken just like this. And since it is attacking from behind, so the new OH group will come above the plane. It will be above the plane, and this one is below the plane, and rest is ET, so I'm showing it like this, 2 carbons. So this is what we are going to obtain. Again, I'm not showing you how it is happening. See, this here a water molecule will be obtained first, but then another water molecule will take the extra proton and we will obtain OH. Okay, so this will be our final answer. But in the question it was asked that tell us what will be B option when we added H2SO4. What was it? It was this, right? And then the last is this. So it was the MCQ, so answer will be A and D. So thank you guys for watching. If you like the video, then please do subscribe to my channel and support me guys. Thank you so much. Bye.